good is never good enough. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here at cineexpansionkit headquarters, we are getting ready for the next big event, the IBC at Ray Amsterdam, September 12th to 15th. Coming back to today's topic, the one thing that still bothered me is the cable management. Having an external viewfinder, a monitor, and wireless video transmission, as well as external audio recording, there is a serious amount of cables around. Thanks to the latest design upgrade of the top and bottom panel of the Cine Expansion Kit, all these cables can be routed in a clean and well-sort way. The HDMI SDI splitter box also moved to more discrete location, which resulted in a weight reduction by nearly 100 grams due to the not needed clamp anymore. The last step will be to replace all the HDMI cables by the recently announced twisted pair pure copper core thin HDMI cables made by Portkeys. Especially, the 90-degree connectors will make this rig perfect. You will see it in real life in its full beauty at IBC and here on the channel. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Over and out.